Well, good morning, guys. We are still at the beach. We have several days left. We got up this morning and we went to Walmart, did a little shopping, but you have to go to Blake's channel. And Blake, tell him what's coming over to your channel.
Hot Wheels.
So yeah, he did some Hot Wheels hunting on his channel here in Ocean City. And hopefully I'll be able to edit that up and put it later. You'll probably see that first, but yeah, we're getting ready to go to the beach. Well, guys, we are here at the beach and there's not as many people here as there was on the weekend because today's Monday, but it's a lot of people still. As you can see, quite a bit. But yeah, we're just enjoying our time, but there's a cool boat coming by. I'm gonna show you guys. There's a place here in Ocean City that you can go and rent. It's called Frontierland. It's like a resort kind of thing. And they're advertising their place, and it's really cute. I'll show you guys. It's coming across the ocean right now. So yeah, that is a Frontierland's advertisement. It's their little boat with their horses on it. That was pretty funny. Yeah, he's gonna get wet. Ben is down at the beach, but he didn't want to swim or anything, but he wants to play in the sand. So what is he trying to do? Get a cup of water?
His feet are wet now.
I know, his feet are wet. He didn't want to get wet because he just took a shower. So Ben's playing in the sand instead. I thought he could be able to hose off. I don't know what he's worried about. Oh, there he goes. You did it. You did it.
Get in the pool.
Oh, he got a good scoop. Here he comes. You got one. All right, so what are you trying to make here? That's just ocean stuff.
A perfect sand building consistency.
A perfect sand building consistency. You're gonna have to talk a little louder with the waves and all.
A perfect sand building consistency. So this is the technique that I've gained so far.
All right, let's see it.
So you get some loose sand, you build up a mound,
He's trying to make the perfect
pour a bunch of water on
the
it.
sand building.
Make a tiny puddle.
Uh-huh.
So then
And you mix it all together.
mix it. Yep. You get this sand.
And it's packing sand now, right? You can pack it.
But to make it even more of a packing sand, bits of water.
Okay.
So as you guys saw before, the sand was all like up and it's jagged. Look at that. Perfectly flat.
Oh, okay. Nice.
So then pour out the excess water. Try to keep the sand in there though.
Oh, you're trying to keep the sand in it?
That's sand.
That's some serious technique though.
I'm perfectly packed. Got a little bit more water.
See one out there.
Boom. Perfectly flat.
All
So
right.
now we sprinkle. Do a little chef move.
You sprinkle the dryer.
Mix it. Give it a little bit of a shake. As you can see, there's a thin layer of water. If you want, you can pour that out, but I'm not. So then you sprinkle a little bit more sand. And that sand dissolves into a clay. So you just keep adding sand into this.
Sand and water. Sand and water.
Sand and water.
Oh, summer. It sounds good right now after what we just experienced, doesn't it? Grilling out, lawns being mowed, and pools opening. These are some of the things we expect with summer.
They got that one. we're spending our beach day. No, I'm joking. We've been on the beach all day long, haven't we? And the pool. Yeah. And we're back. Everybody's got showers, bins.
What?
I said you got your shower earlier, but they're playing video games. But we're actually getting ready to go head down to the boardwalk. Brooke, what are you playing? Minecraft. I love Minecraft.
Uh-huh.
Do. And then
the vlog knows that you used to own a server.
Oh yeah. I used to be part owner of a server. Yes, I did.
Yep.
Oh look, you got some emerald. Cameron's out there playing guitar and Charlie's singing and Blake's running his servers. I think he said he's monitoring some servers, so everybody's doing a little something. I just got out of the shower. My hair's still wet. I think I'm gonna go with the wet hair look. But grandmother and John are here, so they're actually out on the beach right now walking. But as soon as they get back, I think we'll probably head out to the boardwalk and see what's happening. Maybe walk down a little bit further. The first we've walked today, or not today, since we've been here, is down to 8th Street. But you and Cameron went down there at like 1 o'clock in the morning, didn't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, they went to go to a club. It was under 21 club, but it was closed, but you said it was open.
The website said it was open.
Yeah, so they had tried to go to a little
We
club.
were gonna go again tonight, but it looked really boring, so we're not going.
Does it have pool tables in it?
I don't know.
Okay. I didn't know if you could see inside. There's a place down there that has a bunch of pool tables, and I was wondering if that was it. Anyways, all right, I'm gonna go out and go get my hair dry in the sun. Let it dry naturally.
That's the best way to do it.
So I don't have to blow dry it, yeah, so. All right, let's see it, Brooke. It's a funnel cake. Well, just what, you didn't get no toppings. You know you could get like strawberries and whipped cream and all.
Regular funnel cake.
Just a regular funnel cake. Ben liked the Alaskan ice cream so much he had to come back and get another one. He got the double, the swirl. We're sitting here at Milano Pizzeria. Charlie got a gyro and I got a super pretzel. And he's making it fresh for me. And when we're done there, we're gonna go check out this street actor over here. If you can see him, he's sitting really, really still right there. And we're gonna go put money in his thing and he'll play his piano. My mustard is here. I got me my pretzel with no salt, just how I like it. Look at Charlie's gyro. Food on the beach. So good. You got lamb, right? Mm-hmm. How do we get him to play? Go put some money in, Blake. Maybe he'll play if you put money in.
Maybe something impressive.
Let's see. Oh.
I know that song. Oh.
You know that song? Well guys, that's another vacay day in the books. Actually, I split this day up because I had a lot of footage. I had like almost 40 minutes of footage. And so tomorrow's video, we'll take off from where we left off because there's something really cool that happened on the boardwalk with Ben late at night. So you definitely want to tune in tomorrow and see what all that was about. Alright, well that's actually going to do it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to subscribe if you're new and don't forget to buzz that like button. See you guys tomorrow.